Zach, you can still pick.
Jason has spent like 10 months on this thing, and
You're gonna do a lot of shit.
and
He's not quite done yet. He's on his 7th sand.
Hey, no, I didn't have
And
to do that many.
14th coat of lacquer and weather sealant.
3 sands and 3 coats of stuff.
Oh yeah.
Give me a break.
and he's only broken one piece.
Yeah.
Really broke one piece.
Jason.
And it was only because
Jason.
he didn't freeze those.
Jason,
What?
what are you gonna do when it breaks?
It's not going to break. Don't worry about that.
You gonna build her a house?
Yeah, I'll build you a house, man. Look at breaks.
You're doing a good job.
I think so. I don't know. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't pop out the bottom.
Get out! Dude, I can't.